Hello students, I think you're all practicing the particular problems of inverse trigonometric function. You already learned the basics of inverse trigonometric functions, okay? After that you learned formulas in the particular chapter, okay? Based upon that formula, some of the problems today I'd like to discuss, and I'll enter into the exercise number 2.2, okay now? Now concentrate. I wrote two problems here. I'll explain here. It is prove the following part. 3 sin inverse of x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Means in this particular domain, these two values will be equal. Okay. I'd like to take the RHS part. What is the RHS part? Okay. It is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay now, right? In the first PUC, you already learned that is sin of 3 theta formula. What is the formula? Sin of 3 theta. What is sin of 3 theta? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay now, means in the x place, if I am going to substitute the sign, it will become sin of 3 theta. Okay. For that reason, put x is equal to sin of theta. Theta is equal to sin function on left hand side. It will be a sin inverse of x. Okay. Then the next step will be sin inverse of, in this one I'd like to substitute here. Okay. It will be 3. What is x value? Sin theta. Okay. Minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay. Got the point clearly? It is sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. It is sin of 3 theta. Okay. Sin inverse of sin of 3 theta will be, yes, exactly, it is 3 theta. 3, let it be as it is. What is the theta value? Can you say? Theta value is sin inverse of x. Got the point clearly? We got the required LHS part. Okay, right. In the similar manner, I'd like to solve the second one. What is the RHS part here? Okay, the RHS part in this one is, it is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, now here, yes, exactly, you understood the part. Put x equal to cos of theta. What is theta value now? Cos inverse of x. Okay, now then I'd like to substitute cos inverse of, what's the value? 4, let it be as it is. X value is cos theta. It will be cos cube theta minus 3 cos of theta. Okay, now we understood properly. Okay, it is cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but a cos of 3 theta. Okay, now cos inverse of cos of 3 theta, it is 3 theta. 3 as it is. What is the theta value? Yes, exactly, it is cos inverse of x, which is required LHS part. Okay, note down these things. Okay. Okay, the next one is third question. Tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. I need to prove it as tan inverse of 1 by 2. We know the formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. What is the formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is, it is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. The x value is 2 by 11, y value is 7 by 24. Okay, now it is tan inverse of 2 by 11 x means y value, 7 divided by 24 divided by 1 minus x into y means 2 by 11 into 7 divided by 24. Okay, then the next step is, it is tan inverse of, what is the LCM? It will be a 264. Okay, 24 into 2 will be 48 plus 11 into 7 will be 77. Here it is 264. 264 into 1 will be 264 minus 7 into 2 will be 14. Okay, got the point clearly? Here 264 cancelled. It is a tan inverse of, numerator is 125 divided by 250. Okay, 125, 250 cancelled. It will be tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, now note down the steps. Okay, the next one you need to observe. Fourth one, it is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. We need to prove it as a tan inverse of 31 by 27. We must know the formula for 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, now 2 tan inverse of x will be the formula tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. I need to use this formula here. X value will be 1 by 2. It will be tan inverse of 2 into x value 1 minus x value square. Okay, now what is the x value here? Yes, 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. Let it be term as it is, tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Okay, now then what about next value? 2 will be cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. It will be tan inverse of 1 divided by 4 into 1 4, 4 minus 1 3 by 4. Okay, plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Okay, it will be tan inverse of 3 by 4 to numerator, it will become 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. Okay, again I need to apply the formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. It will be tan inverse of x plus y. What is x value? Yes, 4 by 3 plus y value 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7. Okay, now it will be a tan inverse of, what is the LCM? 7 into 3, 21. 7 4 is 28 plus 3 1 is 3. Okay, now what about the LCM? 21. 21 into 1 will be 21 minus 4. Okay, now then what about next? 21 cancelled. Tan inverse of 28 plus 3, 31 divided by 21 minus 4 will be 21 minus 4 will be 17. Okay, now we got the required RHS part. Okay, now done it. Okay, then the next one is fifth one. It is write the simplest form of the given problem. I need to substitute for x, then only it will be simplified. If I am going to substitute x equal to sin theta, 1 plus sin square, any formulas? No formulas. What about if I am going to substitute cos, 1 plus cos square, any formulas? No formulas. But whenever I am going to substitute x equal to tan of theta, what is 1 plus tan square? Yes, secant square. That's why it will be get simplified. That's why theta equal to tan inverse of x. Okay, now it will be tan inverse of square root of 1 plus, what is the value of x? Can you say? It is tan square theta. Okay, now minus 1 divided by x is nothing but a tan of theta. Okay, got the point clearly? The next step is tan inverse of 1 plus tan square will be secant square theta minus 1 divided by tan of theta. Okay, now then the next step will be, it will be a tan inverse of square root will be cancelled. It will be secant theta minus 1. Denominator is tan of theta. Okay, now it will be tan inverse of, I need to simplify this particular part. Secant can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1. Tan can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. Got the point clearly? Okay, in the numerator I need to take the LCM part. What is the LCM? Can you say? It is cos of theta 1 minus cos theta, denominator will be sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, got the point clearly? Here cos theta will be cancelled. Tan inverse of, what is 1 minus cos theta? Yes, exactly, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Submultiple angle formula. Sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 cos of theta by 2. Okay, now 2 will be cancelled. One of the sine function will be cancelled. Then it will be a tan inverse of sine by cos. It will be a tan of theta by 2. It will be tan inverse of tan of theta by 2. Theta by 2. What's the value of theta? Yes, theta value is tan inverse of x divided by 2. Okay. Now done the parts. Okay. Observe the next one, sixth one it is. Again we need to write the simplest form. Now I need to understand for what substitution of x we'll get the simplified value. See, x is greater than 1, domain is greater than 1 means either I need to think about a cosecant or secant. That's why it will be, I'd like to substitute a secant theta. Okay, what is theta will be secant inverse of x. It will be a tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of, what's the value of x, can you say? X value is secant square theta minus 1. Okay, now it is tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of, what is secant square minus 1? Yes, it is a tan square theta. Okay, now then tan inverse of 1 divided by square root cancel, it is a tan of theta. Okay, then the next step will be tan inverse of 1 by tan will be a cot theta. Okay, now what is, whether we are having any property that tan inverse of cot of theta will be theta? No. For that reason I like to convert cot in terms of tan. It is tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, now means tan pi by 2 odd angle tan will be cot, pi by 2 minus means it will be in the first quadrant positive. Tan inverse of tan of angle will be pi by 2 minus theta. It will be pi by 2 minus, what is theta value? Yes, exactly, it is secant inverse of x. Okay, note down the particular problem. Observe the next one. We need to write the simplest form of the particular question. Okay, 1 minus cos x, it has a formula 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, 1 plus cos x has the formula 2 cos square of x by 2. Concentrate on the board. Tan inverse of square root of, what is 1 minus cos x formula? 2 sin square of x by 2 divided by 2 cos square of x by 2. By using these formulas, 2 will be cancelled. Tan inverse of square root, as it is sin square by cos square, tan square of x by 2. Square root will be cancelled. It will be tan inverse of tan of x by 2. What is tan inverse of tan of x by 2? It is x by 2, which is the simplest form of the given. Observe the next one. It's the 8th one. We need to write the simplest format. We know that tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. 1 plus xy means in this position I required 1 to convert to formula. That's why to make this 1, that's why I need to write dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. Okay, now it will be tan inverse of, the numerator will be cos x minus sin x, denominator here cos x plus sin x, its denominator I had to write. Concentrate on the board. I need to divide cos x. Okay, this cos is related to first term as well as second term. That's why tan inverse of, what is cos by cos? It's 1 minus sin by cos tan x. Okay, cos by cos 1 plus sin by cos tan x. Okay, concentrate on the board. Tan inverse of 1 is there. 1, how I write in terms of tan only? Yes, exactly. You know that tan is having the value 1. For which angle? Yes, angle is pi by 2. That's why 1 can be written as tan of pi by 4. This minus tan x as it is divided by 1 as it is plus. Here I like to write tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, here it will be 1 into tan x will be tan x. Okay, numerator in the tan pi by 4 will be 1. Okay, it will be tan inverse of, concentrate on the board. It is nothing but you can write tan inverse as it is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. The formula is the tan of a minus b. A means pi by 4 minus b means x. Okay, tan inverse of tan of the angle will be pi by 4 minus x. We got the simplest form of the. Observe the next question. It is, what I need to substitute for the x value, it will get simplified. Okay, just check with the first term. If I am going to substitute a sine, numerator don't worry. If it is sine, a square minus sine square theta, no formula. If it is a square is common, it will become 1 minus sine square. Okay, that's why I'd like to write x equal to a sine theta substitution. Okay, what is x by a? sine theta. Let it be theta as it is, sine on left hand side. It will be sine inverse of x divided by a. Now I'd like to substitute the value tan inverse of what is x substitution. It will be x substitution will be a sine theta. What about the denominator? Square root of a square. Let it be as it is minus what is x square. X is a sine theta. X square is a square sine square theta. Okay, now then what about the next condition? It is a tan inverse of the numerator is a sine theta as it is, no change in that. In the square root, what is a common term? A square is a common term. What is remaining? 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, na? It will be tan inverse of a sine theta square root cancel. What is remaining? A will be remaining square root of 1 minus sine square cos square theta. A will be cancelled. Tan inverse of square root cancel, sine by cos, tan of theta, tan inverse of tan of theta. It is theta. What is theta value? Yes, exactly. It is sine inverse of x divided by a. Got the points? Okay. Okay, observe the part here. The next question is very simple. Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square. You can observe very easily whenever I am going to substitute x equal to tan of theta. It is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. If a is not there, means you will get easily tan of 3 theta. Okay. In the similar manner, x equal to, I'd like to take a because I need to take a as a common. X by a will be tan of theta. What's the theta value, can you say? It is tan inverse of x divided by a. Okay. Go with the substitutions. It will be tan inverse of 3a square. What is the value of x here? X is a tan theta. Got the point clearly? Okay. Minus what is x cube? A cube tan cube theta. Okay, na? What about the denominator, can you say? Let it be a cube. This a cube as it is. Okay, na? Minus 3a. What is x square? X is a tan theta. X square is a square tan square theta. Okay, got the point clearly? Okay, understood? Then in the numerator part, how I had to write this one? Here a square into a cube, here also a cube, a into a square, a cube. In the numerator as well as denominator, a cube is a common term. I'd like to take a cube as a common. What is remaining now? 3 tan theta. Yes, exactly. 3 tan theta minus a cube taken outside. What is remaining? Tan cube theta. Okay, now. Then what about the denominator? In the denominator, if I am going to take a cube as a common term, what is remaining there? 1 is remaining there minus 3 a square into a cube outside. It is 3 tan square theta. Okay, now. Then a cube will be cancelled. It is a tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. It is tan of 3 theta. Okay, now. Tan inverse of tan of 3 theta, it is 3 theta. 3. What is theta value? Yes, exactly. Tan inverse of x by a. Okay. I think you enjoyed the video with the particular problems. You understood all the parts. Okay. Go through all these problems and try to calculate the remaining questions. Okay. Thank you.